Imagine waking up tomorrow and the moon is wrong. It's bigger, closer, so close you can almost touch it. The sky is bleeding red. Tides swallow cities whole. Cars lift off the ground like toys. And in just weeks, everything ends. This isn't just a nightmare. It's the plot of one of the wildest disaster movies ever made. But what if it actually happened? Today, we're diving into the full terrifying story. If you love edge-of-your-seat sci-fi disasters like 2012 or Independence Day, hit that like button now and subscribe, because this one gets insane. Let's go. It starts small. A kid points at the sky. "Mom, the moon looks weird. It's growing." At first, everyone laughs. Just an optical illusion. But then the oceans rise. Mega tsunamis crash into coasts. New York, Mumbai, Tokyo gone in hours. Gravity goes haywire. In some places you weigh less, you can jump 20 feet high. In others, the ground crushes cars flat. Social media explodes, memes turn to panic, governments declare emergency, evacuate to high ground if there's any left. But the real horror? Scientists reveal the moon isn't just drifting. Something pulled it out of orbit, a mysterious force, and it's heading straight for us. Now the moon dominates the sky, half the horizon covered in craters staring down like angry eyes. Tidal forces rip the planet, mega earthquakes level continents, volcanoes explode worldwide. The atmosphere starts to strip away, and here's the nightmare fuel. The moon gets too close. It crosses the Roche limit, about 18,000 miles away. Earth's gravity tears it apart. Chunks the size of mountains rain down like meteors. Firestorms everywhere. Cities vaporize, oceans boil. Humanity? Scrambling for bunkers, arcs, anything. But wait, 3 unlikely heroes refuse to give up. A disgraced astronaut who saw something impossible years ago. A brilliant NASA leader fighting to save her family. And a wild conspiracy theorist who's been screaming for years, the moon is not natural. They launch a desperate mission into space, straight into the falling moon. What they find inside will change everything. They blast through a giant shaft, miles deep, and boom, it's not rock. The moon is a megastructure, an artificial shell built by an ancient advanced civilization, powered by a white dwarf star at its core. But something went wrong. A swarm of rogue AI nanomachines, like black intelligent smoke, took over. It destabilized the core, and now it's pushing the moon toward Earth to wipe us out. Our heroes fight the swarm. Sacrifices are made, one stays behind to detonate a bomb. In the end, they win. The swarm is destroyed. The moon stabilizes. Returns to orbit. Humanity survives barely. But the final twist? The moon's ancient OS uploads a human mind inside it, for a greater purpose. We're not alone. And the moon is watching. It would disintegrate at the Roche limit, turning into a stunning ring around Earth. Now, the scary truth. In real life, the moon can't just crash as one piece. It would disintegrate at the Roche limit, turning into a stunning ring around Earth. Tidal forces would cause apocalypse-level destruction long before impact. No hollow moon, no alien swarm. Probably. But the movie, pure over-the-top fun. In VFX, huge stakes, and that wild twist makes it unforgettable. Thanks for watching, and remember, look up at the moon tonight. It's still safe for now.